After the JavaScript arithmetic operators, now we have a JavaScript comparison operators. Uh, in the arithmetic operators, we have also discussed about the increment and decrement here. So suppose take one more example here, not one more example, that the loop value here. Uh, let's take one example here already. Let x equal to your 5, let y equal to your 3. Okay, now console dot log again here, and I'm putting the value that is pre posting pre increment with plus x again here, that is plus x. Okay, now console log x plus plus after the post increment. Both have a value that is 6, and difference between that, it will be the print the 6 value before the increment, and it will the print value after the increment. So this is about the increment. Now the same example for the decrement I'm using here. So I have to again copy this value, clear, reload, clear, not variable x. Okay, instead of the plus plus I have to use minus minus, again minus minus, again minus minus, minus minus. So value will be the, what will be the value? First have a 4, second have a minus 4. First have the 4, second have also have a 4. So why its value will have a 4? First have the x value as always defined as a 5. Okay, and then 5 minus minus, it will be the your again 4. So I'm just putting a y value here also. Okay, and you can see a 2 and 3. After another 4, 4 minus minus. Okay, value will be again minus, go to the minus, and 3 for the y it's go to the that value. So this is about the increment and the decrement. In the first plus x is 5, print the 6 and then print the 6, print the 5, and then increment to the 5, sorry 6, and the console x it's all with the value will be the value of the x. So this is about the increment and decrement operator. Now we have another operator, that is a comparison operator. Comparison operator, that is will be compare the two values. Suppose let will be x equal to 9 here, let y equal to 19 here. So first is less than, second is greater than, sorry greater than, less than, these are the operator here first. So they may be equal to equal to. Equal to is telling about the, that is equal or not. Not equal to means it's not equal to, x is not equal to y. If we use 1 2 3, 3 equal to, that is strict equal to, it returns the true if the operands are equal and their types are also equal. Let's take an example of the equal to and equal to. So y equal to 9, let, sorry x equal to 9, y equal to 9. Okay, and I'm printing console dot log mm, equals to, so x equal to 9. sorry, x equal to y, it's showing the equals to equal true because x and y both have value equal to true. Now again I'm going to share here, and this is my y equal to and double quote and stick 9, and instead of the single, it's again showing the value equal to true because now the y have something value, and that will be your both have a 9, 9 9, y have also 9, x has also 9, and it printing the value too. You can see here the example what will be the value of the y. Value y is 9, so 9 equal to 9 will be the true. But I'm using here, suppose I use here equal to triple equal to what will be value, again it will be show true. Why sorry, it's so unexpected identifier, it's the previous value because both have a data type difference. So let's take an example with another, because we are getting the value some memory issue here. So it's I, it's k, I and k both have equal value because uh, um, triple equal to y is showing here to operate equal to the same data types also. Yeah, it's showing the value on identifier, but if I put the same example with again not showing the exact value, equals to true आ रहा है. Let's take example of equal to and triple equal to, the difference between them. So if I put console dot log, okay, and 2 equal to 2, what will the output? Left hand assignment. Okay, it's basically movement assignment operator, not equal to. It's my mistake here. Equal to 2, it will be the value true. Okay, again if I put the value uh, equal to and 2, what will be the value? It value will be also true because it contains a 2 and 2 the same. But if I use the same example with following thing, that is triple equal to, let's check what the value false because value have the same but the data type will be not same. So if for this I have to use this value here as like this, so it will be show the true. So the difference between equal to and the triple equal to, that is strict equal to, means the strict equal to also compare the data types with your value. Data type value will be the same. Now we consider about the JavaScript logical operators. Logical operators that is and yy. So again I am taking the one example here and putting the console, putting within the console log here. That will be the true because x is less than equal to 6 and y is less than equal to 5. It's true. True or true, always the true with the and. If it's the true and true in within the and logical operator, it will be the true. So first is your AND operator, next is your OR operator that have a condition either one will be true, another will be also true. So that will be the 0 or 1, 1 or 0, true or false, false or true. This is a another operator, and another operator is not operator. That will be the negation of that. You can negate not equal to means, or you can change the value. If value I equal to true, then you can change to false by using this not I, that is false. That is a not operator. Bitwise operator, that is using the single and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, bitwise not, bitwise shift operator. So there are some string operators also. What are the string operators? So for the string operators, we will do first is concatenation operator. So the string operator we will discuss in the next lecture. Thanks.